When it comes to cleaning and caring for your furniture, there are a few very simple steps to take that will help maintain the beauty of your furniture. I'm going to show you how to do that. In this segment, we'll focus on removing water rings and other surface blemishes from wood furniture. As much as we try to protect our furniture, inevitably someone will put a glass down without using a coaster, and what we end up with is an unsightly ring or watermark. Depending on how deeply the moisture has penetrated the surface, this could result in a costly repair. But what most people don't know is that in many cases they can remove the watermark themselves with a Guardsman watermark remover cloth. To use, first pre-test in a hidden area, as the cloth leaves a slight sheen and is not intended for matte finishes. If you are satisfied that the cloth did not alter your furniture's existing sheen, then gently rub the cloth across the water ring in the direction of the wood grain until it disappears. Just make sure you start with very little pressure and add pressure slowly as needed. It's that easy. And the watermark remover cloth is not just for water rings. It can be used to remove latex paint, most permanent marker stains, light surface scratches, and other minor blemishes from wood. The Guardsman watermark remover cloth is a specially treated cloth made from 100% American cotton. It's long-lasting, reusable. Just make sure to store it in the provided resealable pouch. Although some types of damage may require a professional repair, with the Guardsman watermark remover cloth, you can remove many types of blemishes and keep your furniture looking great. You can find this product and all of Guardsman consumer products at most major retailers. Visit our website for additional videos and information. Thanks for watching.